This off?
You can talk.
You can talk and listen to music, and smoke a cigarette, everything.
Too much crap. Oh, I gotta walk around here. Tearing apart.
You gonna be up here next weekend? Hey? No? Right, I know, but I'm just saying, because I'll make plans to be up here next weekend and try to get on my sled. When's the next time you're going to be up here then?
Oh, you want me to come over?
When's the next time you're going to be up here, Paul? Huh? The following weekend? In 2 weeks? Huh? Okay. So in 2 weeks, I will make sure that I be up here. Take you.
Oh, yeah. Do you work on your stuff?
Huh?
Do you work on your stuff?
Yeah. 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm going to be done with mine. Someone's ready to come out.
Yep.
I'm done, but I'm still on the one all on his bike just said a little
With a
bit.
Sam's Club membership, you get incredible savings
And
every
I'm on
time you
video.
shop.
I'm on
Fill
video.
your fridge
Yeah,
and
I'm
school
learning.
lunchboxes with big savings on family
video
favorites.
in this,
Like 2
taking
pounds
the
of Oscar
front
Mayer
view.
Deli Shade Smoked Ham for just $5.98.
Hey.
Or 72 slices of
They can't see nothing but my teeth.
for $8.98.
They can't see nothing but my
Pick
teeth,
up a
though.
40 pack
They
of
can't see nothing but my
Capri
teeth.
Sun for $6.98. Only 17 cents a pouch. Join and save. Sam's Club. Life is better when you're in the club. See social
What?
details.
Huh?
Wells Fargo
Yeah.
has exciting news. Until November 16, 2014, customers can come in for
Well,
a
at
free
least somebody
credit
knows
score
what the
and
hell they're doing.
complimentary credit report. That's almost as exciting as a credit tip sung by a barbershop quartet. Not bad, guys. Come into Wells Fargo for your free credit score and complimentary credit report. Wells Fargo.
Wells Fargo Bank, anything member FDIC. See a banker for specific promotion details.
What makes a good thing even better? How about having twice as much of it? For a limited time, Boost Mobile now offers you double the high-speed data while dropping the price. Yes, double the high-speed data while dropping the price. Let that sink in for a second. Okay, now just to make sure you heard me right, Boost Mobile is now offering double the high-speed data while dropping the price. I'm not kidding. Unlimited talk and text, and now with double the data starting at only $35 a month. That's lots of freaking data
Battery
for
charger,
not a lot
where's
of
that?
Listen, you've got to get